Hello friends, welcome to JavaFx GUI tutorial. Now you are watching part 2 of the sub-series slider control. In this video we will add major and minor tick marks as well as tick label. So here if you see, these are all the tick marks. So this is minor tick mark and these are all the major tick marks. And here you are also seeing the labels. So this will help the user to know. Where the slider control. So just by looking at the slider track, they can at least say the slider is at a specific location. Here if you say this is 20 and 40, definitely the slider position is between 20 and 40. Here by using this major tick mark, we can say the slider is at 38 or 37. So that's the position of this knob. So in the last video we learned about the slider control and we created the slider without label and tick marks. So now we will add the tick marks as well as a label. So in the previous video we already created the slider, and if you want to quickly recap, if you see, the minimum is 0 and maximum is 100. Now slider dot set show tick labels true. So by setting this property, I mean the tick label property to true, we are enabling these tick labels. So 0, 20, 40. So these are all the tick labels. Next we show tick marks as well. So these are all the tick marks. Set major tick unit 20. That means for every 20 we show the major tick mark. Here if you see, this is the major tick mark, and here we directly specify the unit. So at what location we want to show the major tick marks. So 20 means the minimum value is 0 and maximum value is 100, and for every 20 unit we want to show the tick mark. That means we will be showing the tick mark at start location 0 and at end location 100. Then in between the units are 20, 40, 60 as well as 80. 60 and 80, those tick marks are not shown here. Alright, so major tick mark we set. Here is how we set the minor tick mark. So we set minor tick count as 3. That means between two major tick mark we want to set 3 minor tick marks. Right? So 3 minor tick marks. That means from here there is 1, 2, 3, 4. So from here 5, 10, 15, 20. So this is how we want to show. So that means between two major tick mark we need 3 minor tick marks. So this is unit. So there is a difference you have to understand. Major tick unit, here we specified the discrete unit value 20, 40, 60 like that. tick unit. This is a tick count. So between two major tick unit, how many tick mark or minor tick mark we want to show. So this is number, actually 3 unit we want to show. So I mean the 3 tick count we want to show. That means each minor tick count will give a unit of 5. Alright, we set up tick label, we set up a tick mark. We also specified how major and minor units are divided. Then we increased the width of the slider control so that user can clearly see the major and minor tick units or tick marks. Now let's go to the demo. So here we already added the control, right? Only one control, and now we will set some other property. So as already explained, we set tick label, tick mark, tick unit, and a tick count. Then we set minimum width. First we enabled the label, then we enabled the mark, then we specified where the major units will be and how we want to divide each major unit. So we want to divide each major unit, or in between two major units we want to place 3 minor units. Now we will build this. So now you can see major and minor units. Now I am placing it here. You know that when I click the right arrow button on the keyboard, it will do the black increment, and the black increment is 5. And we know that our minor tick mark is also 5. So when I do the click, it moves exactly towards the minor tick marks. And you can see that here, right? Also, if I want to set this at 65, 70, I can directly click near this minor tick mark. So the control approximately moves to that location. Alright, that's all here. Just now you saw the demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.